Rebuilding a car is cool, but modifying it while rebuilding it is even cooler. Massive thank you to Canadian Auto Performance once again. In here, all the way from Canada. Oh my gosh. Yes. Is a gloss black honeycomb front grille, which is going to look absolutely phenomenal on the front bumper. The OEM grille looks like this. Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking. This is gonna look so much better. And you guys already know, they always, whenever I'm working on Audi stuff, they're the go-to for cosmetics, for performance. They got everything you need. Head over to their website and DM them. Thank you. Here we go. And to install the new grille, it's very simple once the bumper is off. It's being held on by a ton of T30 screws. That's pretty much it. And yes, the fitment is perfect. Here's the right side, and I love that they did like a little tint on it. Very, very cool. Boom. Gosh, are you kidding me? This is the other side. You plug it first. Listen to the click.